Here's a 2-year review on our $500 Coleman 18-inch pool. We've had a lot of issues where it's starting to rust and the edges became very sharp, so I just wrapped some tape around them. It's like that pretty much on all the metal sections. You can see here some surface rust. It hasn't started bubbling yet. So here's like a section of rust that I haven't wrapped up yet. See, it's all bubbling and getting ready to fall apart. And then on that same leg, the leg is completely rusted out. So the metal's only good for about 2 years. Also on this side of the pool, the fabric is ripping. You see? Also, I upgraded the original pool pump to this one. It lasted about a year until the tank split on the bottom. You can see how faded everything was. I just put this new one in last week. It's a Flowtech by Intex, Best Way, for a 12,000 gallon pool. I suggest if you're gonna get one of these, the hard PVC pipe, everything, because the hoses that come with it, they dry rot in about 3 months, and then you have to replace the hoses anyways, and then by the time you realize the pool's already leaking, and so just go ahead and get the PVC pipe and do it that way. So with the pool, we're on our second ladder in 2 years. It's hard to tell, the water's kind of dirty today. The kids jumping in with dirt on their feet, but the bottom's all rusted, so it's time for a new ladder. Hopefully this is beginning of spring down in South Florida. If I can get to the end of summer with this before it breaks, I'll be happy. So 2.5 years would be good for 500 bucks. I think the next one though, we're gonna get like a metal style, more permanent style pool. Same size because of the size of the yard, but something, the metal sides, the aluminum top, better pool pump, everything. Got any comments? Leave them below. Thanks for watching.